Upon the shore where the golden sands gleam, 5 ducks waddle forth in a sunlit dream. With laughter and quirks they spread out their feast. Beneath azure skies their joy is unleashed. A checkered blanket laid with care on the ground, where sandwiches wait and sweet fruits abound. They nibble on morsels of crusty brown bread, while waves softly lap where the sea's whisper spread. In a quaint little hut that's shaded and cool, they dart for respite like kids rushing to school. With feathers a-fluffing and sunbeams aglow, they change into hats, oh, the fun starts to flow. One thumb's a bright fedora adorned with a flower, another finds shades to embrace summer's power. The third puts on flip-flops that slip and slide right, while the last plays maracas. It's quite the sight. When hunger returns with a tickle of glee, back to their picnic for more jubilee. They munch on some berries, their favorite treat, and sip from small cups filled with nectar so sweet. But oh, what delight when they play in the waves, splashing together like happy little knaves. With peeps of pure joy as they leap through each crest, their hearts find contentment, a moment well blessed. As shadows grow long and day turns to night, the 5 gather close 'neath a soft twinkling light. With stories exchanged in sweet laughter's embrace, each memory shared holds its own special place. So here by the shore where friendship runs deep, these ducks know that moments like this they must keep. For life is but fleeting, a treasure so rare. Yet here by this beach there's magic to share. But oh, what delight when they play in the waves, splashing together like happy little knaves. With peeps of pure joy as they leap through each crest, their hearts find contentment. Nursery cartoon love journey with who beneath azure arches of glass so wide, they floated in awe side by side. With their heads held high and feathers aglow, they watched as the currents would ebb and flow. A ballet of fishes danced round with grace in this grand aquarium's magical space. The clownfish were laughing in Durban hues bright, while gentle sea turtles glided in flight. From shadows emerged a great stingrays glide, like whispers of secrets that time could not hide. The ducks quacked with joy at each shimmering sight, as dolphins performed in an echoing light. Their hearts beat together, a chorus so sweet, in the heart of the ocean where dreams come to meet. Yet amidst all this splendor and splendid delight, there flickered a longing that brushed through the night. For though they were marvels beneath skies so vast, home beckoned softly, a call from the past. And as they beheld every fish on parade, a yearning for freedom began to invade. But still there was magic within these glass walls. Each ripple and shimmer enchantingly calls. The current is perfect today. It's so beautiful. Nursery cartoon love, journey with who I'm